morning, students. This is Sarika Ahuja, your maths teacher from Bright Scholars Senior Secondary School, Sonipat. In my last video, you all did direct and assuming method. And today, in this video, we are going to learn the method step deviation. Step deviation method is a third method to find out the mean. Students, I want to convey here that whether you find out the mean by any of the method, but always the answer will be coming same. Now you can see that I have made 6 columns on the board to find out the question, to solve the question by the method of step deviation. I hope you all are ready with your books. Please take out exercise 14.1. Let us take question number 9 and solve it by the method of step deviation. This question number 9 is, the following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. So I have to find out the mean of the mean literacy rate by using the method of step deviation. Let us solve it. So in my first column, we are going to copy the class intervals from the book. Let us copy side by side. It is 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85, and the last is 85 to 95. In my next column, we are going to copy frequencies, that is denoted by Fi. That is also from the book. 3, 10, 11, 8 and 3. In my next, that is column, we are going to find out the xi, and in my last video also I told you that the formula to find out the xi is upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. So in my first class intervals, the lower limit is 45 and the upper limit is 45. Let us add these both limits and divide by 2. So 45 plus 55 is equal to 100 and 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. So in the very same way, the next xi will be 60, 70, 80 and 90. In the next column, I am going to find out di, and I told you the formula, that is xi minus a. So what is a? A, you can take any value of xi as a, but I would always prefer you to take the mid value of xi as a to avoid the calculation. So here I have taken my a as 70. So let us find out 50 minus 70 is equal to minus 20. Similarly, 60 minus 70 is equal to minus 10. 70 minus 70 is equal to 0. 80 minus 70 is equal to 10. 90 minus 70 is equal to 20. So you have found out di also. In my next column, you have to find ui, and the formula for ui is di upon h. Means you have to find out this. Di's. You have to divide all these di's with h. Now coming to what is h? H is the value, that is means I would say difference between the upper limit and lower limit. So what is your upper limit in your first class interval? 55. In lower class interval, 45. Upper limit minus lower limit means 55 minus 45 is equal to 10. So your h is equal to 10. Now you have to divide. Minus 20 divide by 10. Minus 2. Minus 10 divide by 10. Minus 1. 0 divide by 10. 0. 10 divide by 10. 1. 20 divide by 10. 2. Now coming to my last column, that is FI UI. means I have to multiply, I have to find out the product of Fi and Ui. So let us multiply 3 multiplied by minus 2, minus 6, 10 multiplied by minus 1, minus 10, 11 multiplied by 0, 0, 8 multiplied by 1, 8, 3 multiplied by 2, 6. So you have complete your tabular part. Now let us find out sigma Fi and sigma Fi Ui, because the formula is A plus sigma Fi Ui upon sigma Fi into H, and I need in both the values in that formula. When I add it, I got sigma Fi as 35, and when I add this, I got, you can see also, minus 6 minus 10 plus 8 plus 6. We are going to cut minus 6 and plus 6. Minus 10 plus 8 is equal to minus 2. So my tabular part is finished. Let us apply the formula now. The formula for the mean is A plus sigma Fi Ui upon sigma Fi into H. A is 70 plus sigma Fi Ui is minus 2 and sigma Fi is 35 into H is equal to 10. Now let us calculate it. Cutting is going to be done minus, so 35 is cut by 5, 5 7 the 35, 5 to the 10. Let us do 70 minus 4 upon 7. If I take LCM, it will come 7. So 490 minus 4 is equal to 486 upon 7, and when I divide it, it comes 69.428. I hope you understand this method. So you have to solve question number 6, 7 and 9. You have to do question number 6, 7 and 9 by the method of step division. If you feel any query, you can contact on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.